hiding behind a tree. I don't know where Hina is. Hina! Hina! I don't know where. Hina, where are you? Hina! Come on! I'm leaving! There she is. Espero les guste. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video if you like it and if you like snow dogs. So, and hope you enjoy the video. Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to another video. Today it's a snowstorm here in New Jersey and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I hope you enjoy it. Bye! This is how New Brunswick looks when it's snowing. There is a river over there, but that river is frozen and it's full of snow right now. Hello my YouTube friends, today is Monday and we are out in China. We have a snowstorm. The snowstorm is crazy and we're gonna get probably like 18 to 22 oh my gosh, look look at that. I don't know if I want to leave her and play with it. Look at that, friends. She's going and say, Hina, you're enjoying the snow? You're enjoying the snow, Hina? You're enjoying the snow? Come on. Look at friends, look at that. Hina, I'm leaving. Bye, Hina. She left, friends, she left. She left me. Bye, Hina. She is crazy. Like, look at these friends. It's insane. I hope my camera doesn't damage with this water. Like, look. You can see my. Alright friends, as you can see, I'm all bundled up, but I feel like I look like Santa Claus with all of this white in my jacket. I hope you guys, if you guys live in New Jersey, I hope you guys are enjoying the snow. It's so beautiful. And if you don't, I hope you can appreciate it through this video. And this is, for those who don't live in a place that snows, this is what it looks like. Okay. And this is how our street looks. That much. Insane. We're supposed to get like 18 to 22 inches of snow. So it's crazy here. And my hands are freezing. Yeah. We have a winter storm. We're so excited. There's a snow plows over there. Miren todo eso. Están quitando la nieve. Y aquí está Baba, quien está teniendo un día fenomenal. Ella adora la nieve. Right, Hina? You love the snow? Yes, you do. We're gonna try to go home. Está todo lleno de nieve. My finger. There you go. Okay, keep walking, Hina. Hina, do you like the snow? Do you like the snow? Yeah? Doesn't she looks pretty on the snow? I think she looks so pretty. We're gonna go over there and I'm gonna let her run a while. We were gonna go the other one, but it's too much snow and I ran with her. Now I'm hungry, so we're gonna go there. Hope no one says anything about it. Hina's pretty good. She good girl. I'm not gonna lie, friends, I'm so tired. We were running with Hina and I am so tired. And it's still snowing. Also, we shoveled snow in the car and stuff. It was crazy because I decided to take Hina with me and it wasn't a good idea because she just wanted to play around. Okay, Hina.